Padilam.
Hi children, today I am going to teach second class third lesson add and subtract. What is our lesson? Add and subtract. We learn only 200 numbers now up to 99. Add and subtract up to 99. Okay, first we are going to learn about addition. Addition. What is meant by addition? Do you know anybody? What is meant by addition? Addition means putting together. What is meant by addition? Putting together. See, for example, here I have two red markers and I took more two blue markers. If I put together these all, how many total markers are there with me? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total I have 4 markers. This is called addition. Putting together is called a addition. Now what is the addition sign? Do you know what is the addition sign? Plus. What we have to call the addition sign? Plus. What is the addition sign? Plus. What is meant by addition? Addition is known as putting together. See here, now I took 2 red color markers and I took more 2 blue color markers. Now if we add 2 plus 2, we got 4 markers. Total markers are 4. Here what we did, this is called a addition fact. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is called addition fact. For example, here I have 3 blue markers and I put again 2 red markers. Now how many total markers are there? 5. Now how many total markers are there with me? 5. Now what we did? 3 plus 2. 5. 3 plus 2, 5. This is also called a addition fact. What we have to call? Addition fact. To do additions easily, now I am going to say for you quick tips. Those are called properties of the additions. For example, if you add 1 for any number, you will get that number after number. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 10 plus 1, 11. If you add 1 for any number, we will get that number after number. Second one is, if we add 0 for any number, we will get that number, same number. 4 plus 0, 4. 20 plus 0, 20. 100 plus 0, 100. Like that. Okay. If you add 10 for any number, the number tens place only will change. What in 24, what is the tens place number? 2. We have to add 1 for 2 only. See here, for tens place number only. Ones place as usual we have to write 2 plus 1, 3. If you add 10 for any number, if that number tens place only will change. These are the properties. Remaining you can learn in 3rd class. See here. Now we are going to learn how to add the addition, how to do the additions. See here. Now I have 15 chocolates. My friend gave for me more 12 chocolates. Now how many chocolates with me? How many total chocolates are there with me? For that we have to do addition. This is the addition fact. Now this addition fact we have to arrange into column method. How to arrange? First we have to write the place values. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Now we have to take first number. What is the first number? 1, 5, 15. In 15, ones place number is 5, tens place number is 1. In next number is 12. Second number we have to arrange down. In 12, ones place number is 2, tens place number is 1. While we are arranging in column method, exactly ones place down, ones place down numbers, tens place down, tens place numbers we have to arrange and we have to do addition. Now see, while we are going to addition, always we have to do addition from ones place to highest place. We have to start from ones place. We should not start from tens place. Always we have to start from ones place. 5 plus 2. See, addition means what is this sign? Plus. While we are doing addition or any subtraction, first we have to observe the symbol. What is the symbol? What is the sign? Plus. Plus means addition. Addition means big number is in my mind, small number is in my hand. What is the big number? 5. 5 is in my mind, 2 is in my hand. 5 after 6, 7. Now go to tens place. See here, 1 plus 1. Already we learned the property. If we add 1 for any number, we will get that number after number. 1 after 2. Answer is 27. Now we have to call this addition fact. What we have to call? Addition fact. Okay, I will teach for you one more sum. Listen carefully. 24 plus 3. Okay, 24 plus 3. We have to arrange these numbers in column method. For that, what should we do? We have to write the place values. Ones, tens. Ones place number is 4, tens place number is 2. Ones place number is 3, tens place number not there. That's why you can keep here 0. Okay. Now, what is the sign in between these two numbers? Plus. Plus means what should we do? Addition. While you are doing the sum, always we have to observe the sign. While we are doing addition, we have to start from ones place. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Addition means big number. Big number is in my mind, small number is in my hand. 4 is in my mind, 3 is in my hand. For after 5, 6, 7. Now go to tens place. 2 plus 0, 2. Why? Because we learn already property. If you add 0 for any number, we will get the same number. Now answer is 27. Okay, if you learn these additions, you can do 3.2 activity and 3A companion. 3A companion also you can do. Now see here in 48, page number 48, they given the 3 numbers addition. 3 number addition. If they gave the 3 number addition, how to do? Now I am going to explain. See here, 3 plus 4 plus 5. Here they given the 3 numbers. If you observe, those all are 1 digit number only. They don't have 2 digits. Only 1 digit only. That's why no need to write digits. Now we have to arrange those numbers in column method. 1 number down, 1 number. 3 plus 4 plus 5. If they gave 3 numbers like that, first we have to circle for 2 numbers and add these 2 numbers. 3 plus 4. Okay, what is the sign? Addition. Addition means what I told. Big number is in my mind, small number is in my hand. Here which is the big number? 4 is the big number, 3 is the small number. 4 is in my mind, 3 is in my hand. For after 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 you should write side of that. Now 7 plus 5. Again we got 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5 again we have to do addition. 7 is in my mind, 5 is in my hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this we have to do. See, answer is 12. Now I will teach another one. See here, 7 plus 4 plus 5. See how to arrange those numbers. In these numbers we have only 1 digit. That's why how to arrange only one's place. 7 plus 4 plus 5. While we are doing 3 numbers addition, first we have to circle for 2 numbers and do addition those 2 numbers. 7 plus 4. 7 is in my mind, 4 is in my hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11. You can write the 11 side of that. Now 11 plus 5. 11 is in my mind, 5 is in my hand. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like this you have to do additions. Page number 48 additions, you can complete that. Okay. By these additions, you can complete 3.5 also. See here 3.5 also you can complete. Now we are going to do carryings. What is meant by carrying? See here. What is meant by carrying? 27 plus 38. Now we have to arrange those numbers in column method. Ones, tens. Okay, what is the first number? 27. Ones place number is 7. Tens place number is 2. Ones place number is 8. Tens place number is 3. Now we have to add these two numbers. Okay. See, while we are doing addition, we have to start from ones place. Already we learned. Now what are the ones place numbers? 7 plus 8. Okay. Already we learned addition means we have to take up big number is in my mind, small number is in my hand. What is the big number here? 8. 8 is in my mind, 7 is in my hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Observe here, we got 15. 15 means more than 10. We got in 15 2 digits. In 15 how many digits are there? 2 digits. 2 digits. If you get the 2 digit number 15, you should not write like this. Okay, did you understand? If you get more than 10, that is the 2 digit number. If you get a 2 digit number by addition, we should not write the answer down. Then what should we do? We have to write 1 in tens place, 5 in ones place. Did you understand? If you get the 15, 1 up, down 5. If you get a 2 digit number, you should not write the total number down. We have to write 1 up, down 5. Now here we got 3 numbers. See here, before we did done now, 2 plus 1, 3. If you add 1 for any number, we will get that number after number. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now 3 plus 3. 3 is in my mind, 3 is in my hand. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Now what is the answer? 65. These are called carryings. If you get more than 10, we have to regroup with another place number. Then this is called regrouping. See here. Now another sum I will teach for you. 32 plus 74. Now arrange those numbers in column method. Ones, tens, ones, tens. Now 32 plus 74. First, while we are doing addition, we have to start from ones place. What are the ones place numbers? 2 plus 4. Addition means big number is in my mind, small number is in my hand. 4 is in my mind, 2 is in my hand. 4 after 5, 6. See here, 3 plus 7. See, 7 is in my mind, 3 is in my hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Here we got 10. In 10 we have 2 digits, but I am writing down. Teacher, before you only told no, if you get a 2 digit number, we should not write directly down. We have to write 1 in before place and another number you have to write in that place you told. But here you wrote why madam, why teacher, if you ask like that. To write the number in, we don't have hundreds place. Yes, is there hundreds place here? No, that's why you have to write the answer here only. Now did you understand how to do additions? Now answer is 106. I will teach one more sum. Listen carefully. 72 plus 14. 72 plus 19. What is the number? 72 plus 19. Okay. Write place values ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Ones place number is 2. Tens place number is 7. Ones place number is 9. Tens place number is 1. Now we have to do these two numbers addition. Okay, while we are doing addition, we have to start from ones place. 2 plus 9. 9 is in my mind, 2 is in my hand. 9 after 10, 11. In 11, how many digits we have? 2. Then what should we do? One is up, another one is down. Now go to tens. 7 plus 1. Already we learned 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now answer is the 91. Like that, we have to do additions. If you learn these additions, you can complete 3.6 activity, 3.7 activity also. 3.7 and 3.8. You can complete 3.8 and 3 in companion, 3.10 also. 3 point, if you observe the 3.10 activity, that is the number story. Number story, for example, see here, you went to a market. There your mother told for you buy one pencil and one pen. They told cost of the pen is equal to 15 rupees. Cost of the pencil is equal to 11 rupees. What is the total cost of those two things? Means what we have to do? Addition. Teacher, how we know how to do addition? We don't know. Okay, for that I will say some clue words for you. Clue words for addition. If you find out in your number story, total, together, all together, in all, sum of. If you find out these words in your number story, you have to do addition. For example, first what I told for you, your father gave for you 500 rupees and your mother gave for you 200 rupees. Now what is the total money with you? Total means we should do addition. Now all of you open your studio, page number 53. There Jagadeep has his friends went to a restaurant. They had a plate of rice, fried rice costing 38 rupees, pani puri 26 rupees and vada pav 16 rupees. Help them find the total amount they need to pay. Total is there. You find out the word total in this number. That's why you have to do addition. How to do? What is the cost of the fried rice? 38 rupees. Cost of the pani puri 26 rupees and vada pav 16 rupees. How to do addition? This is the three numbers addition. While we are doing addition, always we have to start from ones place. Now first we have to do these two numbers only. 8 plus 6. 8 is in my mind, 6 is in my hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got the 14. 14 plus 6. 14 is in our mind, 6 is in your hand. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We got the 20. In 20 we are having 2 digits. That's why we have to write 2 up, 0 down. Now go to tens place. Here we find out the 4 digits, 4 numbers, not digits, 4 numbers. Now we have to add first 2 numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. Again 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now what is the answer? 80. Did you understand how to do 3-digit numbers? Yes, you can complete 3.8 activity by this. Now we are going to learn subtractions. Did you note clue words for addition? All of you note your clue words for addition and read out. Then you will get, by seeing the number story, you can find out what we have to do, addition or subtraction by these clue words. Okay, next now we are going to learn about subtraction. See here, what is meant by subtraction? Subtract. What is meant by subtraction? Subtraction means taken away. What is meant by subtraction? Taken away. What is the sign of the subtraction? Minus. For example, I have 12 balls. My friend came and she took from me 5 balls. Now how many remaining balls with me? 12 minus 5. How many are there? 7. Okay, another example. You have 10 pencils. Okay, your friend took 2 pencils from you. How many pencils are remaining? 8. That is a subtraction. For example, how many pencils you have? 10. Your friend taken 2 pencils. Now how many are there? 8. 8 are remaining. This is called subtraction fact. 10 minus 2 is 8. You have 10 pencils. 2 pencils taken away. Remaining are 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. This is called subtraction fact. Now how to do subtractions? See here. For that, first we have to learn clue words or quick tips or properties. What are those? If you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If you subtract 0 from any number, we will get that number same number. if you subtract the number minus same number is equal to 0. Did you understand this? First one, if you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. If you subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. If you subtract 1 number minus same number, you will get 0. These are the properties. If you learn this, you can do subtractions easily. And one more, if you subtract 10 from any number, the tens place number only will change. See here, tens place number is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1's place number as usual we have to write. Now what is the answer? 13. Now how to do subtractions? Now we are going to learn. See here. 9 minus 1. How much? 8. See here. 24 minus 10. We have to change only tens place. 2 minus 1, 1. 1's place number as usual we have to write. Now 59 minus 9. How to do? We have to arrange those numbers in column method. How to arrange? Ones, tens. Place values. First number, ones place number is 9. Tens place number is 5. Second number, ones place number is 9. Tens place number not there, that's why you have to keep 0. Now do subtraction. While we are doing subtraction, we have to start from ones place. 9 minus 9, same one number minus same number is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 50. Okay, did you understand? Now I am going to do another sum. See here, answer is 50. Now 47 minus 14. How to arrange those numbers? Ones, tens. Ones place number is 7, tens place number is 4. Second number, ones place number is 1, tens place number is, ones place number is 4, tens place number is 1. We have to do subtraction. 7 minus 4. Subtraction means we have to take up number, close down number. Take 7, close 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Remaining number is 3. Now 4 minus 1. Already we learned. If you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. 4 minus 1, 3. 33. See here, 28 minus 12. Again, ones, tens. Ones place number is 8. Tens place number is 2. In second number, ones place number is 2. Tens place number is 1. Do subtraction. Ones place. What are the ones place numbers? 8 minus 2. Take 8 fingers, close 2. Now remaining numbers are 6. Go to tens place. 2 minus 1, 1. Why? Because if you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. Like that you have to do subtractions. Now how to do borrowings? What is meant by borrowing? If not there is sufficient number, we have to take borrow. For example, if you don't have pencil with you, what you will do? You will ask your friend, borrow. Arey, give your pencil, I will give back. You will say like that. That is called borrowing. Here also, see here, 76 minus 28. Now arrange those numbers in column method. Ones, tens. 76 and 28. Ones place number, ones place down, ones place number. Tens place down, tens place numbers. What is the sign? Minus. Minus means what should we do? Subtract. Subtraction means what we have to do? Take up number, close down number. Take up number, take 6. Close down number. What is the down number? 8. Is it possible? Why? Because we don't have sufficient numbers. We have only 6, but we have to close 8. We don't have sufficient numbers. Then what should we do? We have to take borrow from tens place. How to take borrow? Cut the tens place number and write that number before. 7 before 6 and we have to take 1 borrow. Now 1 6. What is the number? 16. Now take 16 fingers, close 8. Is it possible? No. It is a little bit hard to take 16 fingers. Then what should we do? While we are doing borrowing, I will say for you one technique. See here. While we are doing borrowing, one technique. What is that? While we are doing borrowing, you have to close all fingers. Count down number to up number. Count down number to up number. What is the down number? 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers in your hand? 8. Answer is 8. Now go to second one. 6 minus 2. Take 6 fingers, close to. This is easy. Why? Because here we have sufficient numbers. That's why I say take 6 fingers, close to. Answer is 48. Okay, now I will teach one more borrowing sum. Listen carefully. 80 minus 17. Arrange those numbers in column method. Ones tens, ones tens, ones tens. 80, 17. Do subtraction. What is the sign? Minus means we should do subtraction. Okay, while we are doing subtraction, we have to start from ones place. What are the ones place numbers? 0, 7. 0 minus 7. Nana, listen carefully. If you find out up 0, we should take borrow. Up 0 is there means we should take borrow. Okay, see here how to take borrow. From tens place we have to take borrow. Cut this number and write that number before number, and we have to take one borrow. 10 minus 7. While we are doing borrowing, what should we do? Close all fingers. Count down number to up number. 7 after 8, 9, 10. How many fingers we opened? 3. Now 7 minus 1. We know already. If you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Answer is 63. Like that you have to do borrowings. Okay, by this you can complete page number 59, 3.13 activity, and 3.16, 3.17 also you can. Okay, teacher, you told clue words for addition. Then what are the clue words for subtraction? Yes, we have clue words for subtraction also. What are those? See here. First one is taken away. Next, given away or given. Next, left, remaining, balance, difference, less than, next decreased by, next how many more, how many less. Okay, if you find out these clue words in your number story, you can do subtraction. See here, for example, open all of you your studio, page number 63. There are 5 toys. Which toy would you like to buy? Circulate. If you paid the shopkeeper 90 rupees, how much money will you get back? Here we did not get any clue word, but we given the total money, we will get back some money. Then what should we do? Here we have to do subtraction. Okay, I hope you all understood how to do addition and how to do subtraction. By this video, you can complete your lesson 3, add and subtract. Okay, Nana, thank you.